It's a 2017 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book finds, in addition to the image boost an Audi immediately grants, you'll be treated to a refined ride quality, sophisticated design, and premium amenities. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Driving is believing. Test drive it today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.